Hello ASB Bulldog ski bus riders. We're very excited for the upcoming season and I wanted to do a brief demonstration of a Voile strap. I have my assistant here. What is your name, sir?
My name is Brooks.
Hi Brooks, and you're an ASB Bulldog. What grade are you in?
I'm in 3rd grade.
And how old are you?
I'm 8 years old.
8 years old. So Brooks is not quite ready to be an ASB ski bus rider yet, but he is definitely old enough to show us and use a Voile strap. Can you show us what a Voile strap is? Terrific. Pretty simple. I'm gonna go back to this label again. I think that's how you say Voile. I'm not sure. But this is a very simple device. It is elastic and very effective. It's used by a lot of guided ski operations across the globe, and it is a super simple way to bundle up your skis and your poles together so you can throw them under the bus, you can carry them to the mountain, and the strap is very easy to stow while you're not using it. So should be easy to keep track of as well. Brooks, can you demonstrate how this works for us?
Yes. Take this. And then you want to take your pole strap and then loop it over the ski. You can leave that right there for a second. And then take your other pole strap, loop it over again. And then you want to line it up so that's kind of holding your pole there.
The ski brakes on the side of the bindings, yep.
And then you want to do the same thing with that one.
Okay.
And then you want to take your Voile, I don't know how to pronounce it.
Voile strap, I think that's right, we're guessing.
And then you want to have, the
Either way works.
the brand.
The printing is on the top of the strap.
Take that.
And then put it across the middle between your bindings. Hold the skis down with one hand. Right in the middle, Brooks, right in the middle. There you go, pull up, hard, and over, and latch it. Up, hard, and over, and latch it. There you go, good. Got it, see, it just pokes through one of those holes. And Brooks, can you lift it up now and show us that those are bundled together? Yep, everything held together. Turn it sideways like you're gonna load it on a bus. Perfect. Okay, now you've carried it, you've put it on the bus, you get to the mountain, you pull your stuff out, and you want to take it to the mountain, and how do you get it undone, and what do you do with the strap?
You want to kind of tug on that, take this out, and then the thing is you can just put this in your pocket while you're skiing.
You won't be wearing sweats, of course. You'll have a much bigger jacket pocket that you can put it into.
Yep.
And ski all day and do the same thing when you come back.
Yeah.
Simple to use. I'll put a link in the comments. Thank you for your help today, Brooks, and look forward to seeing you all at Ski Bus this year. Have a Merry Christmas.